Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Mana token. In today's video, I would like to show you once again this big breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And after breaking down this rising wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, the price line of Mana is still getting accumulated just below the support of this rising wedge. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal of Mana token with you that I shared a few days back on 6th of Feb 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish versus bad move that Mana token formed with US dollar pair on the 4-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line started a nice reversal from this buying zone. First, it dropped more down at the very end of the buying zone, and then we had this pump. That was, by the way, more than 16% pump. Now, let me to take you to the weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that Mana was moving inside a very big falling wedge pattern, and finally we have broken out this resistance of the wedge here almost 5 or 6 weeks ago. And after the breakout, the price line is getting accumulated just above the resistance of the falling wedge pattern and also this resistance that is now breaking as a support of 55 cents as well. Previously, it was breaking as a resistance, and before that, you can see for the past several weeks or months, it has been breaking as a very strong support. Now let's move to the smaller time frame, and this is the daily time frame chart. And previously, we have been following this rising wedge pattern and you can see after the breakdown, the price and drop here. Our target was here, by the way, after the breakdown at the bottom of the wedge and the price line. Let me place the trend line here. And you can see that the price line has exactly dropped at this target. And after hitting this target, the price line is moved up and now it is getting accumulated here above, below the support of the rising wedge pattern. Now, if we take a more closer look at this move, then we can see that here the price line has found another resistance, another support as well. We have the support with 3 touch points this time, and we have the resistance with more touch points like 1, 2, 3, and 4 touch points. So there is another rising wedge pattern formation. Now, for example, if the price line again breaks down the support of this rising wedge pattern, then it can again drop down at the bottom of the wedge, and that is exactly here where we have the previous bottom of the wedge that is at approximately 61.38 cents. And if the price line breaks out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, then after the breakout, the move to the upside can be here that will be approximately at 93.94 cents. And in that situation, we can even break out the previous rising wedge pattern as well. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern, because we have already broken out a very big wedge, and sooner or later the price line can hit that target that is here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately at $5. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.